What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a very simple step-by-step method you can follow right today, guys, and start making some extra money online, guys. So all you have to do is follow this method. I'm going to show you guys step by step and take action on the method, guys, and you can start making some extra money online, guys. So if you're new to the channel, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified that I post new videos on how to make money online, clickbank methods, and online earning methods, guys. And you want to learn how to make some extra money fast, be sure to click the first link in the description to learn more. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys how you can follow this simple step-by-step method and start making some extra money online. So this method, guys, be sure to follow step by step. So I'm going to show you guys all the steps that you can follow and start making money with this method. And what I'm asking for you guys is that you're going to take action on this method to get results, guys. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this step by step and make some extra money. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to be using this website, Fiverr.com. So Fiverr is a website that you can go and provide services and you're going to get paid once you provide a service from Fiverr. So I made a lot of money as well from Fiverr. So Fiverr works. All you have to do is take action on this method I'm going to be showing you guys, and you can make a lot of money as well. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, is I'm going to provide a simple service on Fiverr, and the service that I'm going to be providing, guys, is whiteboard animation. So you type whiteboard animation on Fiverr. All you have to do is click on search. I'm going to show you guys other people are already using this method and are making a lot of money, and I'm going to show you guys how you can make money with this particular service without doing all the work, guys. So all you have to do is go to Fiverr. So if you type whiteboard animation, you're going to find a lot of people that are providing this particular service on Fiverr. So you can see, guys, so these are the prices. So you can see this person is providing $35, $75, $15, guys. So this is the cheapest ones of $15. The rest of the services are very high, guys. So you can see $350, and this person has up to 1,000 reviews. So you can see $80, $40, $140. And all you have to do, guys, are going to first step, guys, are going to go to this website and you're going to create a free account on Fiverr, and you're going to start providing this service as well. I'm going to show you guys how you can get a lot of money providing this service. So you can see, guys, this person is providing up to $2,000 for this service on Fiverr, guys, and they're providing these simple services and they're making a lot of money on Fiverr. So all you have to do, guys, are you're going to go to this website, Fiverr.com, and you're going to create an account. So you're going to create an account and you're going to model the top accounts on Fiverr so you can rank a lot higher. So let's open this one, for example. So this is going to create a whiteboard animation, guys. So let's see how the animation is going to look like.
Hey there, my name's Joel, and if you're looking for the best value in whiteboard animation, you just found it. That's because when you purchase from me, you're actually getting the services of...
So that's it, guys. That's a simple service that I'm going to be providing for whiteboard animation. I can see this person is making a lot of money from providing this service on Fiverr, because this $350 is just the basic package, and you go to the standard package, you're going to see that it's up to $500, and the premium package up to $750, guys. So what you're going to do, guys, is that you're going to go to Fiverr and you're going to create a similar service like this one, and you're going to model the description of this. So you're going to model all the description of this, so it's going to help you to rank a lot higher on Fiverr, and you can get a lot of traffic and make a lot of sales providing this particular service, guys. You're going to model the title. That's the first step. Model the title of the top selling gigs, and also model the description of the top selling gigs. And the next step, you want to scroll right down at the bottom and you want to copy the exact tags. So if you scroll right at the bottom, you're going to see these related tags. So these are the tags that is helping this particular seller to rank a lot higher on Fiverr. So all you have to do is you're going to copy these exact tags and you're going to use the exact tags when you are creating your gig on Fiverr. So it's going to help you a lot to rank a lot higher in Fiverr, and the more rankings you get, the more traffic you're going to get to your gigs, and the more sales you're going to make, guys. So all you have to do, guys, is go and create this gig on Fiverr. So let me show you guys another website that you should go and create this gig on. So another website you should go and create this gig on and make a lot of money is this website, peopleperhour.com. I'm going to show you guys how you can fulfill this gig without actually doing the work, guys. So if you go to people per hour and we are going to type, for example, whiteboard animation as well, you're going to discover that there are a lot of these services on people per hour, and they are very expensive, guys, and you can make a lot of money, guys. So you can see this is whiteboard animation $40, $500, $70 guys, $40. And you can see guys, all you have to do is go to this website as well. You're going to create this exact gig on people per hour, and you are going to be getting traffic from the two websites, Fiverr and people per hour, and you can make a lot of money from anyone that purchases this service. So what you're going to do guys is that once you get this service guys, it's very easy for you to complete this service. So once you have an order from Fiverr or people per hour to provide this service, so let's say for example you're going to list this service for $50 on Fiverr and people per hour. So once you have an order from people per hour or Fiverr, all you have to do is go to this website guys. So this is a website you're going to be using to make a lot of money providing this particular service on these two websites. So the name of the website is seoclerk.com. So you're going to go and buy this service very cheap from this website, and you're going to sell on Fiverr and people per hour. So you're going to buy this service only when you have an order on people per hour or Fiverr. So you're not going to be losing any money guys. So all you have to do is go to this website, and if you search for whiteboard animation, you're going to see people that are providing this particular service on this website, but they're providing this service for a very cheap price guys. So you can see how much they're providing this particular service on seoclerk.com. So this is whiteboard animation. I can see guys, they're providing, this person is providing as low as $4 guys, and they have a lot of reviews. So they have reviews that people have bought this service and are satisfied with their work guys. So you can see how much they're selling these particular services on seoclerk. So you can see $4, $5, $5 guys, $10, and all you have to do is create these simple services on the other websites. And anytime they have an order, all you have to do is go to seoclerk.com. You're going to buy these other services. So you can see this one guys, this person has 81 reviews and is providing this service of only $5 guys. So you want to search for people that have a lot of reviews. So those are the people that you're going to buy this service from, and all you have to do is copy the instructions from your clients on Fiverr and people per hour. You're going to give those exact instructions to this person on seoclerk, and the person is going to do the work, and you're going to deliver it to your clients, and you're going to keep the difference guys. So if you are buying this service for example for $5 and you're selling this service for $50 on Fiverr guys, once the order is completed, you're going to make at least $45 from the transaction without actually doing any of the work guys. So this is a simple method you can go and implement right today, and you can start providing these simple services and you can start making some money guys. So that's a simple method I wanted to show you guys that I can use today and start getting some results and start making some extra money guys. So if you found one in the video guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified anytime I post new videos on how to make money online, clickbank methods and online earning methods guys. And you want to learn how to make some extra money fast, be sure to click the first link in the description to learn more. So that's it guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.